represent the grain. When you can smell the sin of pain in the darkness, how do we sustain? In a place where everyone remains heartless, but still we living, man. So many fell victims to the hardships of this Richmond thing. But man, we gotta keep it moving regardless. We can never forget those who left us. We hold your grace in abundance. Although we can't physically see you, I feel you made me through the months. And days and nights is moving fast. It seems like the world's getting colder. Got a couple of problems now, but it ain't shit to be stressing over. I just pray that the Lord guide us and spread His blessings upon us. Every day we gotta supply the need of those that's relying on us. As we move towards the new year, my vision is ridiculous. I can see the hate and frustration on their face when I come to kick it. My cousin gone again. Damn, I miss another Christmas. Even the bad dudes just shot caught up in the whispers of the winds of life. If you can feel how they leave you, blessed I say amen for your type.
Do I have to use translation, obligation, making preparation to my recommendation, consideration? Words of the late great, rest in peace my nigga Hugh. Damn right you ain't forgotten, Lil' Chris, I see you too. Life's a bitch, monkey riches get thrown, but I just use them as tools to my advantage for building me up a throne. Shout out to Chop, I feel your pain. You gon' make it, man. You Pig Biddy and Uncle Melvin shall meet again. One step back for going 2 steps forward. Long as it's progress, I guarantee we gon' orbit to another level. Niggas ain't on. Here's a stepping stool, my nigga. Come stand on this platform. One step back, but going 2 steps forward. Long as it's progress, I guarantee we gon' orbit to another level. Niggas ain't on. Here's a stepping stool, my nigga. Come stand on this platform.
Represent the grind.
Shout out to my niggas in jail, man. Booney, be home soon, my nigga. Rest in peace, Fat Man.
Grind.
Rest in peace, bro, my granddad. Anybody that's, you know what I mean, out here, rest in peace, man. Much love to the family. Yeah.